welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon Okiri. Today we're gonna make uji. Uji is a Kenyan porridge. I don't know if they have it in other countries as well, but before I show you how you cook uji or how you make uji, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have something in your heart to say, and click that bell for you to get notification every time I post new videos. So now let's do this. When I start boiling my uji or cooking my uji, I put 2 cups of water to start with, and then I let the water boil. After letting the water boil, I put in my maize flour. Then I put it while I stir, so you don't get the lumps inside the uji. I stir for some time and then I let it boil. And then after doing that, I put in my milk. So before putting in my milk, I let it boil for around 3 to 5 minutes. After stirring it, I put in 1 more cup of water. So in total, I have 3 cups of water in my uji right now. And then I stir it some more. After doing that for approximately 2 minutes, until it gets all soft and nice, I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Normally when I make the uji just for myself, I don't put in any sugar. I don't like it so much with sugar, but then the kids and the other family members or other people that are going to drink it like it with the sugar. For the sugar, you can put in how many spoons you want. And then after putting in the sugar and stirring it for some time, I add in more water and stir it some more. After stirring it some more, I add my lemon into it. I have half a lemon that I've cut in pieces. You can also just squeeze the juice and rasp the skin into your uji. It doesn't matter anyhow, it will taste good. So the lemon is just to add in some flavor. The flavor with the milk, with the creamy texture, and the lemon is very nice. I'll stir it some more, and after doing that, I add in the last cup of milk, and stir it some more. And while I do that, I put down my heat to medium heat, medium low heat. So now I'm just gonna let it boil for approximately 5 minutes, and I put on the lid and wait and check it if it's boiling. If it's boiling, if it's boiling, then you are basically done. How to know if your uji is ready? Yeah, when you taste your uji, you won't feel the bits of the maize flour. It will be soft. Now the uji is ready, and now it's just to enjoy. You can either eat your uji like this, or you can have it in a bowl and eat it from your bowl. So that was it for today. It only took 10 to 15 minutes to make this uji. It goes very fast to make it, especially when you are feeling very hungry. I used to eat this a lot when I just gave birth. I didn't want to eat anything else, and this is the only thing I could eat. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.